Hi, Dave Dupont, owner of Dupont Service Center here. So, what's the scoop on state inspections anyway? New Hampshire is a four-season state. Your car needs to be checked for salt damage, worn tires, and brakes at least once a year. It's an awesome deal. For less than $45, you get a comprehensive check on the most complicated device you own. You can't do that with your tablet or home appliance. New Hampshire law requires the inspection, but the results are between you and your tech, not law enforcement. 88% of the cars less than 20 years old pass anyway. It also gives you an opportunity to take care of any maintenance items. For over 55 years, DuPont's has been providing state inspections. We have the best techs, the best equipment, and the latest factory tools, so we can fix either the software or hardware of your automotive device efficiently. We also provide a free reminder service, so you'll never forget your inspections again. Questions? Call or log on to Dupont Service Center. Be safe, be inspected. We look forward to serving you soon.